Here are some ideas how to improperly use a keyring. Number 1, let's set a table with our keyring. Okay, I went to the dollar store and I grabbed these cute bottles. So if you want to do name tags, put this on your table setting, put the name here however you want, and this is the perfect way to do your table settings. So let me show you. Super cute, right? And then they leave with a little gift and you've spent under 10 bucks. Second idea, just lay down the keyring, perhaps with their name, perhaps not, and this will be their party favor. Pretty simple, right? Number 3, take your napkin and roll it. Just slide it over. You have now a napkin ring holder. Put it on your plate or next to your plate, and you've got a great little gift. For the last way to completely use your keychain wrong, I now have a bag tag. Be sure to show me your ideas about how you improperly used your keychain.